Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to fit the unit garage engine bars to your R9T. I'm going to show you the parts that are included in the kit and the tools you need to fit it. And as I said before, how ridiculously easy and quick they really are to fit. As I said at the beginning of the video, there are fitting instructions included with the kit. Those fitting instructions identify which side the spacers need to go, because there are a 10mm spacer and a 5mm spacer. Please make sure you refer to the instructions before you go ahead and fit the job. However, they are super easy and a very, very good product, and this video is purely to illustrate how quickly they can be fitted. As you can see, that job didn't take no more than 5 minutes. A quick, easy job, and once again, Unit Garage hasn't let us down with the build quality, both from a price point and from a finishing point of view, as well as how long it takes to fit. Now, a point to note is that this has been done on a post-2017 bike, which has the additional mounts on the frame, which allows for the brackets to be fitted. However, on the Gen 1 R9Ts, which is 2014 to 2016, it doesn't take any longer at all. It just comes with an additional support bar that goes behind the oil cooler. So we'll call that a wrap and enjoy.